Hi everyone, in this Shopify particular video I will demonstrate you how you can integrate your Google Analytics 4 account to your Shopify account and collect e-commerce data. For this, first of all we need Google Analytics 4 account. So go to Google Analytics and then admin sections. If you are uh, creating first time, you don't admin sections because I have too many properties, so that's why I am going to admin sections. First of all, you need to create an account. uh, Create an account, so put the name of your account. In this Shopify as a digital, you can name it as your convenience, as according to your business and so on. So click on next. Into the property name I am also putting the name of my account name. So pick the country, in which country your time zone. So currency in which your website selling something. Next, the industry. So in my case it's a service selling, other business activities, and size is 1 to 10. I want to specify the type of report that we need in our Google Analytics. For if you click only generate leads, you are GA4 property organized as a lead. In if you click on sales and other, so your property will show all these four things in your reports. So click next. I accept, and here we go. Web, enter the URL of your website. So in my case this is my websites I store, because I am using free versions of the Shopify. My Shopify as a digital, create stream, and here we go. Go next and continue to home. So we are done with Google Analytics for accounts and property. Once we have done with our Google Analytics account and property creations, the next steps will be to connect it with our Shopify account. For connecting it with our Shopify accounts, we need to go to our Shopify store, then Google and YouTube app. After that, if your account is new, you need to click on create an online store. After that, you need to find setup Google, click on it, and click connect a Google Analytics property to your Shopify accounts. Here click on properties that you want to connect. We are recently create a property. We will connect that property to our Shopify accounts. We need to find that property here. Here is our property. We need to connect to it. Click on connect. After successfully connections, your Shopify store now ready to send e-commerce data to your Google Analytics account. For debug, click on online store, click view your store. After that, you need to click on a debugger which is called Google Analytics Debugger. You can install from Chrome browser. Here Google Analytics Debugger. The first one is a debugger that used to debugging our analytics account. Here is the extensions. You can install it on your browser and later on you can use it. So I already installed it and I turn it on. So I'm going to my analytics property and your data collection is active. So I am clicking on admin, then click on debug view. After that, you can see you are every activity that is performing on your store is capturing here, sending back data to Google Analytics 4. If I click on catalog, you can see here is a page view with the name of catalog. So let's wait and see is there any page view happened or not. So I will click on this contact, and you can see user engagement and page view, and we need to find page locations is collection. And after that, Here you can see there is 2 page view, user engagement. It's mean our Google Analytics is successfully connected to our store. So for now this is enough. See you in the next video.